What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pineau. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're talking about how to get your first 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel for your affiliate marketing business. Cue the intro. All right, I specifically had a request to make this video after I got to 100. There's a lot of people starting out in the YouTube space, in different businesses, affiliate marketing, whatever your business is, make money online, FBA, or whatever you're working with. A lot of people get into this and don't really know what to do, and they want to get to that first 100. Why? Because when you get to your first 100, you get your own custom URL, and everybody wants that because it looks great. And it's also 1/10 of the way to the 1,000 subscribers that you need, and it's just a milestone. You're hitting your first, third digit. So I want to give you some tips. The first thing that you should be doing in your videos in particular, are always having some sort of call to action, like step 1, smash the like button. If you didn't smash the like button yet, you should smash the like button. That's a call to action. You're asking someone to actually do something. If you want them to subscribe, then you should ask them to subscribe, but give them an offer. In this video, we talk on this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, getting an education on how to make money online to grow your business, and review the best products that I recommend. If you want more content on that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. That's a call to action, and I'm giving a little bit of information of what the channel's about. So if someone stumbles upon this and they're into that topic, they know what they're signing up for. In regards to marketing something, you want to use a call to action to something in the description below. Let's say my #1 recommended online business opportunity. If that is what you're selling, say that, and that it's in the description below. I actually do have an educational training that I'm affiliated with, and it's in the description below. It's kevinjpino.com/5 simple steps, and you can get a copy of a free ebook on email marketing. So go check that out. Bam, that's a call to action, and it is legit down in the description below. Okay, we covered the basic things to do in your video. Something that you need to research on your own, because I'm not the best at this, is YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails are super important because when you're scrolling through something, I'll pull up my YouTube on my phone while I'm talking about this. When you're scrolling through something, you want stuff to kind of like pop out and whatnot. All right, you want to look for what is the best thing here. And if you have a terrible thumbnail, if you're just using a screenshot from your video, it may not be that good. So YouTube, how to do that, I recommend like Nick Nimmin, D Nimmin. Sean Cannell is really great at that. Definitely work on your thumbnails. Along with that, your channel art. Channel art's very important because when you have a call to action for someone to subscribe, you want them to land on your page and see what it's looking at. And I'll just give you this here. It's like, bam, I'm going really on the fly here. Can't really see it, whatever. But that's my channel, it has my name and what we do here. What I'll do is everything is congruent. Pop out of the way. I'm trying to get this done in one take for y'all. Right there, bam. So that's what my channel looks like. So if you subscribe to my channel, or I asked you to check out my channel, then this is what's going to pop up. And it goes one further. You want to look up the templates in, I believe it's in the settings of YouTube. It's actually a full screen picture. I'm sorry about popping it out like this. If you look at that, if you look my channel up on your full screen television, you'll see at the bottom there's actually a link that says get my free ebook on my website, and it gives you my Facebook link because it's supposed to be a full large picture. So also look up a training on that, on making your channel art for YouTube. You'll probably get them in the same video. Big thing that you can do right from the start, even before you have videos, is commenting down below. Why would you do that? A lot of you probably notice in videos, people always ask for feedback or comment what kind of content you want to see in there. The reason it's good to do that, even if you haven't put out your first video, is it shows engagement. YouTube doesn't just want you to click on a video and keep their attention through the whole video. Those are the biggest things, clicking and then watching the whole video and then watching the next video. That's the biggest thing, but engagement is the next level. So someone smashing the like button and then having a conversation in the comments below. It's a great way to get in front of people, to help out the creators and to grow. Why? Well, first off, you're building a you have the potential to build a relationship with the new creator or the person that you're following or whatever. Let's say I just recently commented on Nathan Lucas, a freedom influencer. I had a comment there, and he gets back to me. What happens is, all right, he recognizes me, but then anyone else reading that is going to look at that too. They're going to say, oh, freedom influencer. He likes to talk with his other subscribers, and then they'll start, talking. So you're triggering people to have more conversations and to go back to his channel to have more conversations. On the flip side, they can click on your icon and then go check out your channel. And if you did what I said and set up your channel art so it's there, and you something I want to add too is you did a channel trailer, well, then they'll see what your offering is. They'll click on your channel trailer. You can introduce yourself, and maybe they'll subscribe and start watching your videos. These are all things you can do without a large channel. You can do it without. You can actually do it without any videos, really. Okay. So those are the big things: thumbnail, channel art, engagement. The elephant in the room is uploading. You need to be putting content out consistently. State it in your channel art of how consistent you're going to do it, and you can do it more than that. You don't necessarily have to do it on a specific day. I say every week because every week I'm going to have something out, but I might put 5 videos out. I know I'm going to put at least 1, but I might do more than that. So I just say every week I'm going to have content out. If someone asks me a question and they want something on a specific topic, I might put on an extra video. So you want to be doing that. Now with your actual videos, I'm going to jump down here. When you're setting up your channel, not just, let me digress, not with setting up your videos, get your channel art. Also, don't skip over your channel tags that'll help you. It's right here, this section. That'll help you rank for certain things once you start getting some content together as well. I'm kind of jumping around, but I'm looking at the front of this page while it's here. So your channel art, your tags. If you have playlists of videos, not just random things, like you can put those up top. The investment account video I did, it's a series of videos. People go and watch that. That gets, every time someone goes down that rabbit hole, that's 30 minutes of watch time. It's a bunch of videos. I recommend that you check them out. And then you have the rest of your stuff. There's always something coming in. You can also rearrange this stuff so you have popular videos when people are checking your channel out, that they can go down the rabbit hole, all right? Now, title, description. Let's pop into one of my videos, my most popular one, Waze Carpool. I'm going to pause it because the audio might mess up. Pause. Now, this video is ranked. I want you to do a little exercise when you're done with this. Go YouTube search Waze Carpool. This video will pop up. I'm actually popping up above Waze. It's got 6,000 views. You just started. It took me well over a year to get 6,000 views, and I didn't get to 1,000 for like 9 months, okay? It's a slow game, all right? But here, some things you want to note. Make sure you have a good title, or your keywords are in the title. Your keywords are also in your description. And then if I jumped in the back office, you should see it in tags. I actually have vidIQ here, so it has all my tags over here. Show search ranking. You're going to show it? All right, I'm 4th. If you look up any of these, Waze Carpool, I'm number 4, Carpool Waze, Carpool App, Carpool Waze Carpool Review, Get Paid to Drive app. These are all different things that the video is ranking for. And you can see there's some engagement down here as well. 81 likes, 18 dislikes. A lot of people didn't like that video. A lot of people liked it. Okay, so those are the basics that I covered. I'm trying to think of what I've missed. You got, always be engaging, keep uploading, don't get discouraged, and just keep slamming out more content. And also, For watch time, you can put tags in. You might have seen one already pop up depending on how this video is performing. And then at the end, you want to do an end screen. And just to close this video out, I'll kind of push myself out of the way. Instead of doing my traditional end screen, I'll just put a video there. And yeah, you can click on that and watch the next video. I'll put it for the recommended YouTube video, just the one video. Go ahead and check it out and make sure to subscribe. I hope this helped. Thanks.